Here we go, off to the first job of the day.
You're never satisfied with what you have. Every day's an off day if you don't get your way. Scream more, more, more until your throat gets sore. Jump on the direct express, let's make it right. Don't be a spoiled brat, baby, get out tonight. Oh, get out tonight.
Sorry.
No, it's all good. Come on down. I'm almost done. Oh yeah, don't mind the everything in the way.
Sorry about that, man.
It's all good.
And you know what? I think it's super funny that I changed this section of flooring because at the end of the day, it's all just getting covered with this super big, perfectly sized doormat.
Pouting lips, oh, put your love on me. Oh.